Number 1. Never restarting your PC. Leaving your PC on for weeks is a big no-no. Restart once a week. It clears the memory, fixes the bugs, and keeps your machine snappy. The way you do that one on Windows, click on the Start menu. Click on the Power menu. And then click on Restart. It should do any updates that are stuck in the back end, and that should clear it out. Number 2. Ignoring updates. I get it, updates are annoying, but skipping them is like to leave your door wide open. Leave the auto updates always on. If you don't know how to do that one, just click on Start, type in Update, click on Check for Updates. If you've got anything like this one that says Install or Installing, wait for them to finish. This button will change to Restart. Restart your computer again to complete the update. Make sure you get the latest updates as soon as possible. It's always turned on. Number 3. Downloading random stuff. If you're grabbing apps from sketchy websites, you're basically inviting malware to dinner. Stick to the Microsoft Store, where everything's scanned. And if you're not a fan of Microsoft, the Chrome Web Store, plenty of apps in here you can use as well. Okay, let's move on to the last one. No backup plan. One bad day, all your files have gone. Set up OneDrive, Google Drive, or a USB stick. Anything is better than nothing. I've got a full step-by-step guide linked in the comments below. Don't skip it. Future you will thank you. Using the same password everywhere. One hacked password is all your accounts busted. Get a password manager or mix it up. Seriously, it's non-negotiable. Most important to secure your email account above all else. Do that before you do anything else. Change that password today. Go watch the video I've got on the channel about how to secure your password. It explains it in more detail. Fix these 5 things and you'll look and feel way more in control. Faster, safer, no files, no headaches. Makes you look like a pro. Share these tips with your friends and family. Don't forget to restart weekly, update automatically, download smart, protect your passwords. Boom, you're no longer a beginner. Which mistakes were you guilty of? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. Smash a like if this helped you and subscribe for more simple tech wins.